Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we are going to talk about Labubu error code 500. As per our research, the error comes when users try to make a purchase on Labubu using the app or website, but the error prevents them from completing the checkout. According to our research, the error is likely caused by temporary glitches with the platform or because the item is actually out of stock, even if it appears available. The first thing we suggest is to switch between the app and the website. If you're getting the error on the app, try using the website. If you're already on the website, try using the app instead. Then check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then simply keep trying. Some users shared that after trying for a while, they were able to successfully complete their purchase. So try again after a few minutes and see if the error still comes. If the error still persists, then the item may actually be out of stock even though it appears available. In that case, wait for some time and try again. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.